Hey, Eric here from Laser Scanning TV, and this show for May is the coolest stuff. I have already a box here where is a new scan device inside, and if you are interested what system we have here, then watch this episode. Hi folks, I will start directly on what we have in the box, and then we see we have a name here, is EMLID, but EMLID is a more GPS device and not a scanner, but I show you what is the secret in this box. Okay, you can also look. So what we have here, it's, you see, it's EMLID receiver, but we have also like a cradle, like this one. Then we have an iPhone, and we have our device. And how we get from this 3 single pieces scanning solution. We use here from the iPhone a scan app, and we have here the scan app, the new one, the Pix 4D Catch app. This app is installed here on this iPhone. And this iPhone, the newer generation, is this Pro, what have the LiDAR sensor also inside. And the Catch app used the photogrammetry and LiDAR option from this phone. Then you connected your EMLID receiver, and then you can connect this together. So I think it's connected by Bluetooth. And then you can walk. This system works outside. You use the photogrammetry option. This means the camera does a lot of picture and the laser make measurement. And you always, for each point or for each movement, you capture here also GPS coordinates if you are outside from building. And you need a referential system to get more accurate data. Like we have here in Germany, SAPOS, the governmental RTK services, and in other states you can use these services in your EMLID device. EMLID gives you the accurate GPS position, and then you can use this app to capture the point cloud. And I can show you here on few pictures how this looks in reality. I show you, this is how this looks, device. Additionally, you get also some April tags here in the box, and you can use them to make your measurement more accurate, because you can make like target loop closure process. And this looks, and here my colleague is testing it. You see he is walking with system. We do an additional like a pole on to have it more comfortable, but you can use it on this, but you can have also put an additional pole on the system where you then also can stake coordinates. So, and then you see here, this is what you capture. You see a 3D model, you see your color information. Finally, you can walk around, like cable trenches is a very good application for this, or volume calculation. And the system shows you also here, you get RTK information. Your RTK should be good, should be fixed. And finally, you get then a preview from your measurement. You see where, if you are very close to a building, you have low GPS condition. If you are more outside, you get better GPS condition. Finally, you upload your data on the cloud, from the Pix 4D cloud, and you have there a subscription, and then you get your data processed on the cloud, and you get you can afterwards you can download them and use them, or you can share them. So that's everything to this device. So then I can see you, if you're a German customer, you can order it from us. Maybe also neighbor countries, Austria, Switzerland, I don't know, contact us. If you are from other states, please check out your EMLID dealers or your Pix 4D dealers, where you can buy it from your local dealer. So let us jump forward to our next application. And next application what we have is a big announcement. Company Hexagon announced they bring two new handheld scanner out. And they have the Marvel scan, and the Atlas scan is the other name from the other scanner. We have it here. So that's the other one, Atlas Scan Max and Marvel scan. And this is a handheld scanner. It's delivered you the option from having like single scan mode for holes. You have 5 laser lines here, and then you have a cross laser line. You have 2 systems with one have a blue light, the other one have a red light. Deliver you different accuracy, what you can use for the system. I can check this yet, because you need some downloading the specs. But I was thinking, they will not selling a clear foam system or anything similar, but I was thinking I have seen this kind of system. And then I checked this announcement video. Looks here, this is the video from Hexagon. where they introduced the new handheld scanner. And then you see Hexagon Manufacturing Intelligent. And then I moved to ZG Technology, and they have the Marvel scan too. And I think they have also an Atlas scan. So, and I think, I don't know how you see it, but for me looks like that's the same guy like here on this Hexagon system. Also then my conclusion is that this new system, it's maybe an OEM version from these ZG Technology, Marvel and Atlas scan. You see this gentleman here have also these additional box for data processing in the field. So I think it's like a kind like an OEM version of this Chinese product here. So let us move forward. Next topic, but I have to move this case and bring you something else. This one is a new product. We are one of first customers. This is the car mount holder for the FARO Orbis. And you can, with this one, it's magnetic, you can mount it on your car. There's also some opening. I think you can also fix this with screws. This allows you to make mobile mapping options, LAM-based with the FARO system. It's very good. You know, FARO, you can put it on cradles. It's different mounting option. And we got this, and we had also first customer demo, and we checked this by ourselves, and the results was great for us for using it. I think we will have an additional video. I don't know if we bring it in English, but we will link it, and you can check how this new cool stuff from FARO works in the field. So, also this means also if you have an Orbis, you need this. This device is available at FARO or maybe in our online store. So. And then finally for you, I have some application stuff here. We have this news from France. It's France inspect and maps 45,000 bridges because they have to prioritize the repair. They here told us in this story, it's that most bridges are built after the Second World War, and now to mostly maybe in a time from 10 to like in 10 years. So this means many of them are not in a good condition. We speak finally over 45,000 bridges. The problem what they have over 36,000 road authorities, like maybe every small village in France where you have a very nice cheese and champagne have an own road association offices. So that's make it very complicated to organize everything, and the overall administration had the idea that they send now, I don't know, in 18 months, I think they have to capture a lot of buildings, and they have now 250 agents from 30 different contractors, and they use an app on their phones or tablets, and this app called Arches Survey 123. So and they're using, and they can put the type inside, and then it's a 12-page of health diary from these bridges, and then they get this in these dashboard, and from this dashboard the authorities can decide which it's at first to repair or to renew. Very good application. And we have another application, but before we move to software, I got a very nice video here from our partner company Veesus, and they announced a new product. This means in their new viewer they have using VX options to generate a much better video view. They're using here these Nevis data sets, and people running there with this Nevis system around. Of course, the Nevis have a very good camera option, deliver you a very good point cloud with very good color information, and from this original point cloud you can generate here in this Veesus software and the Arena software, Arena Studio, these very nice walkthrough, which looks pretty realistic, as you get a very realistic view from the reality, more or less automatic based on your point cloud. So, and then finally we have something here on the application side. Siemens together with Mercedes. Mercedes having a new factory. They call them Factory 56. I think I have a full picture here. In 56, what I understand is the factory where they make also the S-Class, but this is a factory that should be super flexible, that you can move the products, what you built in this. So, and they want with this, use in this factory, they want to use the digital twin to capture the real world with the digital world, and they have 2 points. One is to increase the operation, and the other one is to have this digital energy twin, also to reduce the energy what you have to use to build cars. Also they want to do it more efficient for the future and more flexible. And this is like a pilot project what they used in this factory 57 in Sindelfing here in Germany. And if they figure out or they get their experience from this, they want to do this then in the future for all Mercedes factories around the world, that they have then a smart building and a smart production. So, and with this Siemens Mercedes story, I'm on the end for the main information from the market. So, and if you like what I'm presenting and I'm speaking here, don't forget to like this channel, to leave a comment, to subscribe to the channel, or forward this to friends where you think that they maybe also benefit from our content here. I say bye-bye, Eric, until our next monthly review.